So as a system install engineer, we build up the system entirely, so from scratch. We build it up mechanically first, and then once it all put together, then we qualify the whole machine. So first the modules and then the whole machine together. So to the specifications of our customer, we make sure that the machine does what it's supposed to do and what we promised our customer. So the main challenge, I think, is the complexity of the system. And also because it's a new system, it keeps changing every time. So it's really complex and it's changing all the time. So both those things together make that we have to keep learning and always encounter new things. And I think that's very challenging, but also very interesting, of course. What makes ASML a great place to work is that you're on the verge of new technology, obviously. So every time I walk into the clean room and I look around, it's just amazing at what kind of high technological environment I'm actually working in. What I like most about my job is definitely the traveling. You know, just traveling all over the world, going to different countries that I wouldn't even come up with myself to go travel to, but then still I'm always amazed that there's everywhere nice things to see and interesting culture and cool nature and stuff like that.